Okay guys, so last night, this was my report. I do know what it is though. It is a YouTube play button according to my channel. And we hit 100 subscribers. You guys are amazing. But first, we gotta open this Walmart box. I don't know why it says Walmart, but it should be YouTube. Struggling to open it. Oops. Sorry everybody, I just can't open it. Open up. Open up. Thank you. Okay, so there's the note. Let me just get it out. I cannot get it out. There we go. It is handwritten. Dear Hayden, you have reached 100 subscribers. We would like to share the Rainbow Creative Award with you. We want you to reach 200 subscribers next. Thanks, YouTube team. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe it. We did it. Thank you guys so much for this plaque.